In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an urban look in Darktable. To start, we'll open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens. Once you have your photo set up and ready, our first task is to use the exposure module. This foundational step is key, as adjusting the overall brightness and contrast will lay the groundwork for all the subsequent edits. Take your time here. You'll want to ensure the image is neither too dark nor overly bright, maintaining the fine balance that complements the urban vibe. Next, we're moving on to the Color Balance RGB module. This tool will help infuse your photo with the distinct hues characteristic of urban photography. We'll be shifting the shadows towards a teal color and the highlights towards orange. This combination tends to create a visually appealing, cinematic look that works brilliantly with urban scenes, giving your image that vivid, edgy feel. Once that's done, let's dive into the Color Zones module. Here, the goal is to enhance those desaturated greens and blues, classic colors found in cityscapes, often in concrete and sky areas. Urban environments frequently present these cool tones, and by delicately enhancing them, you'll notice your photo starts to embody that city vibe we're aiming for. To give our image more depth, we will increase clarity and local contrast using the Local Contrast module. What this does is bring out the textures and details in your photo, emphasizing the grit and character inherent in urban areas. It's like your image is suddenly brought to life, forming a narrative of its own, thanks to these heightened details. Now it's time to sharpen up those details with the Sharpen module. Focus on sharpening selectively. You want the edges to be crisp, but remember, too much sharpening can lead to an unnatural look. The key here is subtlety, enough sharpness to make details pop without stepping over into the realm of the unreal. Finally, although this step is optional, it's worth considering adjusting highlights and shadows with the tone equalizer. This is for those who want to add an extra dimension of dramatic lighting to their urban shot. By carefully fine-tuning these elements, you can achieve a stunning contrast that mimics the lighting dynamics unique to city landscapes, especially the breathtaking interplay of light and shadows often seen in metropolitan sunsets. And there you have it. That's how you create an urban look in your photos using Darktable. With these techniques, your images will capture that striking, urban aesthetic, resonating with authenticity and appeal. We hope you found this guide helpful, and that it inspires you to explore the urban landscapes with a fresh perspective. Happy editing!